Hey y'all, it's your girl, your cousin, Rosie, and I'm going to show you how to make this super easy, cheap gumbo, y'all. So, FYI, before we get started, my allergies are acting up. I do not got that row, okay? I don't got the Rona, so don't be worrying about cousin Rosie. A lot of people have been asking me on Instagram, but I'm good. So, anyway, let's get right into our recipe. I'm going to be using some chicken wings. Now, whatever you have in your freezer, whether it be chicken wings, chicken legs, them thighs, you can use it, okay? This is, something out of nothing meal. So whatever you got, we're going to use it, okay? We're going to season it up with some black pepper, some dry thyme, and I'm also going to use some garlic salt. If you don't have garlic salt, feel free to use seasoning salt. Or if you don't have that and you just got some salt, baby, you're going to make it do what it do. Use that, okay? So once the chicken is nice and seasoned, you're going to, make sure everything is nice and seasoned by flipping it up with your hands. You know what I mean, okay? And you're going to set it to the side. Now, here I have my sausage. Now, this sausage has been just sitting in my freezer, and I need to put it to use. This is some spicy sausage, but if you have smoked sausage, baby, use it, okay? Now, here I have my pepper stir fry. I got this from the Dollar Tree. Don't be sleeping on the Dollar Tree. A lot of y'all know that I get a lot of things as far as cooking from the Dollar Tree, y'all. So this pepper stir fry actually has our onions and our bell peppers in there. All I got to do is chop it up, okay? That's it. Really easy, and it ain't going to go bad. So head over to your local Dollar Tree, see if they got it. Thank me later. So once we're done chopping that up, we're going to grab our okra. And y'all, again, it's hard times. We're using some frozen okra. I got this from Walmart, but you know what? I seen it at the Dollar Tree as well. Please believe I grabbed some bags over there, but I want to use this one up first because it's been hanging in my freezer the longest. So anyway, we got the okra, the peppers, and the sausage. Now we're going to set it to the side, and we're going to head over to our stovetop. Now, as you've seen, I did pour some vegetable oil in there, and now I'm going to turn the heat to medium, and we're going to start browning our chicken. Now, baby, we are not making like fried chicken wings, we're just browning it. If we was frying it, baby, they would have been battered and all that other good stuff. But yeah, we ain't doing that. So again, if you don't have wings, yes, you can use legs, thighs, boneless, skinless, whatever you got. That's what we're using right now because again, right now it's crazy and a lot of people, the stores are kind of bare. So again, use what you got. It's a something out of nothing meal, okay? So once the chicken is nice and browned, I did take the chicken out. Obviously, I also removed the oil, but don't throw away the oil. We're going to use it later. And now we're going to start browning our sausage, okay? So once the sausage starts getting nice and brown, just like so, look at all that flavor at the bottom of the dang pan, y'all. We ain't going to get rid of it. We're going to keep it right there, okay? But anyway, we are going to brown the sausage, and then we're going to set it to this side. Actually, you know what? Set it in a big pot, the pot that you're going to be making your gumbo in. You're going to set this sausage along with that chicken in the pot. Just go ahead and put it over there now. So now we're going to start browning our onions and our peppers, y'all. If you have fresh onions and peppers on hand, you can use that. But you know what? Y'all, the frozen does me good right now, So this is what I'm using, obviously. And once the onions and peppers are nice and browned, just like so, we are actually going to go over to our pot. So in this pot, I have the chicken in there, I have the sausage in there, and we have the peppers in there. We're now going to start pouring in some chicken broth, okay? Then you're going to turn the heat to medium high and just let it start boiling. So we're going to go back over to our pan. Remember, this is the oil that we used earlier with the chicken. You see there's some herbs in there, some, little pieces of the onions and peppers. I don't care. We're going to use it, okay? We're going to recycle it, and we're going to make our roux. So I just added in some flour. I made roux before on my channels, y'all. So you see me do it before. And we're just going to cook the roux until it's nice and brown, just like so. Okay, so now we're going to head over to the pot that has all the goods in it. And we're going to start, adding the roux. But before we add the roux, you know what I did? I sprinkled my seasonings in first. And I'm using Creole seasoning along with some thyme and some other goodies. Now head over to my blog, iHeartRecipes.com, y'all. If you want the exact measurements, you can find it there. And remember, the recipes on my blog are free, okay? Free 99, y'all. Head over there and get it. So now I'm adding in the roux. And I'm going to make sure everything is nice and well combined with my little Dollar Tree utensil, okay? No shame in my game. I'm a Dollar Tree queen, y'all, okay? But anyway, Go ahead, give it a stir. Make sure everything is nice and good. And now we're going to top it off with the lid. And we're going to let that cook until it's nice and tender, roll the chicken and stuff. And now we're going to start adding in the okra. Okay, so once the okra is in there, y'all, you can reduce the heat down from medium high to medium. And we're going to cook this down until everything is nice and tender. Okay, so I actually like to cook it until the chicken starts falling off the bone, but that's just me. Now, you know what I did mention earlier? Somebody's gonna say, well, can I use chicken breast? If you want to use chicken breast, you can. I don't like chicken breast. That's because I think it's dry. But if you have it and you want to use it, you can just adjust the times because you don't want to overcook the chicken breast. Now, when I cook this down, some of the bones are just laying around, so I try to pick them out, but it's not something that you have to do. But you know what? This chicken and sausage gumbo is done, y'all. I'm just going to serve it up with some rice, maybe some hot cornbread, and I'm good to go. Now, again, I want to thank you all for watching, and head over to my blog, iHeartRecipes.com, so you can get the exact measurements. It is free. Thanks for watching, y'all. Later.